single soul there for their own reason. What I would give to share that moment, feel it so deeply. I want to feel it too, to tug at the heartstrings, to shield from the gloom, to make it poetic. No one's alone. We'll sing together. We'll find our way home. So are you out there? I can't wait to see you soon.
So do you like it?
With the bird noises and all.
Yeah, my dad really loved the outdoors and I thought of
It's shit.
Excuse me?
Don't waste my time.
But I really wanted it to be a tribute.
I'm not a talent show, and I'm not looking for a sob story. The only reason you are here is because of the big fat zeros your mother wrote. So don't go around believing all that hype that you're talented enough. Because you're not.
Ma'am,
What?
your coffee.
Thank you for your time.
How's the recording sessions going? If you want me to sing on a track or two,
Ma, these are overdue.
your Abbu will be so proud that your talent is being recognized when he hears this.
At least he would have more faith rather than to pay Emma.
Hey, your Abbu and I are very happy to hear you sing. To see you do something that...
I am not a vessel for anyone's happiness. Besides, you have never heard my songs before, and they are relatively better. No!
That's it.
Move on, Ami!
Smashed to smithereens. But I really think that you would have liked the songs. I'm missing you so much more today, Dad.
Darling, it's good you're back. Nana has been a tad bit rebellious today, I don't know why. It's the new country maybe that's freaking her out. I know I was. when we moved to Lahore. Speak to her. I love you too.
What has she made of us?
Bye, Ma. Ma, what is this?
Have you eaten? Shall I heat up the food in the fridge
Ma,
for you?
how much money do you owe?
Should I order in or
What
do you want me
happened
cook
to the
something?
money that Dad left behind? Stop acting like a child and answer the damn
Child?
question!
You prance around in the forest living in your own bubble while I have to clear the mess that is left.
Oh, sorry, mess? I do everything around the house while you mope around about someone who doesn't even care about our family.
Who the hell do you think you are? He's your father, Naina.
Then where is he right now? Where is he when I need all the love and support while my army behaves like a pathetic child?
He would be so disappointed to see you pissing away the money that he left for you.
Wait, you spent Dad's will to bribe Emma? What the fuck is wrong with you? Ma.
I can still see him breathing here with us. So much.
Things went dark again. I don't know from left to right. Things were too much again. My heart's beating too fast. The truth is, we're scared. The truth is, we'll get up again.